In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom buttons and links in Salesforce. This is a handy way to tailor your Salesforce interface to better fit your needs and workflows. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to access the Salesforce setup page. Usually, this is done by clicking the gear icon you'll find in the upper right corner of your screen, followed by selecting Setup from the drop-down menu. This action opens up a world of options and settings, allowing you to customize your Salesforce environment to match your organizational needs. Once you're on the Setup page, you'll want to navigate over to the Object Manager. One easy way to do this is by utilizing the quick find bar. Simply type Object Manager in the search box and then select it from the results. Here, you'll be greeted with a display of the various objects that you can customize, such as Account or Opportunity. These objects form the backbone of your data structure, and customizing them effectively can greatly enhance your workflow. Now, choose the object you wish to apply your custom button or link to. Inside the selected object, you'll have several options to modify its settings. What you're looking for here is a section titled Buttons, Links, and Actions. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you're ready to proceed with creating a new button or link. Simply click New Button or Link to start the creation process. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in details about your button or link. Start by giving it a name. Make sure it's something descriptive. A well-chosen name will help you and your team easily identify its purpose in the future. Following this, you'll need to enter the label information. This is the text users will actually see displayed on the button itself. Moving on, it's time to determine the display type for your button or link. You have a few different options here. A detail page button will appear on the detail page of a specific record. A detail page link shows as a link on the detail page, and a list button is viewable within the list view of the object. Choose the option that best aligns with your intended use case. If your button or link is designed to navigate to a different URL, there's a specific field for this purpose. Simply paste the desired URL into the URL field, ensuring it directs users to the right web page or resource. Once you've filled in all the essential details, you can create the button or link by clicking Save. However, your work is not yet complete, as the button or link is not immediately visible. You still need to add it to a specific layout where it will be used. To do this, head over to Page Layouts and select the layout you want to customize. Within the Layout Editor, find the Buttons or Custom Links section. You'll see your newly created button or link available to you. Now, it's just a matter of clicking and dragging it to the desired spot on the layout. Finally, ensure you click Save to cement these changes to your layout. And there you have it. A new custom button or link now enhances the functionality of your Salesforce environment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, happy customizing.